The ice from our ice maker has a funny smell and taste after it melts in any drink. I've tried a lot of the troubleshooting suggestions like baking soda in the freezer.
When did you last replace your ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
My husband says he doesn't know where the filter is, if any. We got this frig in 2014 and it was tasting this way from the beginning. I just thought at first it had to work its way out. So for all these years we've been making ice in our second frig, but I'm tired of doing that.
How long has this been going on with your ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Like I said, it was happening from the beginning. I thought at first it would work its way out. Tried experimenting with making ice in second frig and storing it in this frig to see if the smell from the freezer taints the cubes, but those taste fine.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Well, have you ever heard of this problem? What do you suggest? How much longer to wait?
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Do you have the model number?
GNS22 AJEP.
Okay, thanks. What type of water line is coming to the refrigerator?
Stainless steel.
Okay, thanks. So that is the problem. Thus lines will remove minerals from the water, which will affect the taste. I recommend copper or plastic lines. Once you replace it, then install a new filter and run 2 gallons of water out of the dispenser to flush it out.
Then why was it recommended to us to use the stainless steel for an ice maker? We had plastic on our last refrigerator and it popped a hole and we had water in the kitchen. My husband couldn't locate the filter. Do we definitely have one?
They recommend it because they don't burst. That's the downside to using plastic. You can also use copper.
Where is the filter?
Some models don't have one. It looks like yours doesn't either.
Okay, thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.